thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly. Made something.
To YouTube. What it do, man? 78 Chevy boy. First time turning the camera on since the car show 4 days ago. Today Thursday, and the car show was Sunday. First day turning it on, man. We finna see what's going on. I'm coming out here to one of the guys that won a trophy. He come to pick it up. So we coming out here. He drove the car up here, man. I admire this car so much. I told him to go ahead and he like, man, I'll crank it up, pull it out, man. So that's what he doing. And we finna check it out, right? Man, that thing clean, boy. He getting out the way. I got it pointed at me anyway. How y'all doing? Woo. Boy, that thing clean. I'm finna give y'all a glimpse of it. See what he looking like. All right. Y'all see it, man. What year did jump? 87, man. True 1987 Grand National, man. Buick Grand National. Oh no, he good. He good. He was out there at the show, man. He come to pick up his trophy. They won best powertrain, man. True be told, he should have came home with a couple more, boy. This is nice. 24-inch roots, big cap roots on there. Yep. Yes, sir. Man, that boy clean, man. That boy clean. So I got his number. We locked in and everything. He told me I can just hit him up. We're gonna get on a closed street, man. Let them turn their boots up. Let y'all see what's going on. Yeah. Boy, that thing clean, man. Show y'all the inside. He said it's a true street and track car. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Roll cage in that junk. Did he do the roll cage too? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Man, I think this car, with this car in the inside, it went in the garage. I'm talking about at Memphis. It was in the inside. I seen this car up there when I went up there. I think I seen this car. You said the roll cage was already in it, right? Yeah, I seen this car when I went up there. Yeah. Clean, man. Had to show y'all that joint. Yes, sir. Yep. I remember this car. 78 Chevy boy, man. Y'all drop down in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this GM, man. That boy sitting proper. Got him. Drop down in the comments, man. Let me go get him his trophy. We'll be right back. Yeah, man. It's one of them bad trophies, man, that I gave out. First place, best powertrain, drivetrain, man. Goes to the homie with the Grand National. He gonna tell me to sit it on top of the car. No, sir, I'm gonna let him do that. I'll sit it on the seat, though. I'll sit it on the seat, take me a few pictures, and we gonna let him roll until I hit him up, man. I'm telling you, next time I hit him up, next time y'all see it on the channel, we gonna have him turning up in this junk. Yes, sir. 78 Chevy boy. Another winner picking up their trophy, man. congratulations. And y'all will see this car on the channel again, man. That's why anybody on my channel or anybody come to pick up their trophies that I hadn't met before, I'm gonna lock in with them, lock their number in. I'm gonna keep in touch. And man, we're gonna get out here. He say he be riding that thing. He be riding that thing. So we gonna link up in the streets, man. I can't keep up with him in Cayenne, but we can both of them get out there and cut up a little bit. Yes, sir. So y'all drop down in the comments. Let me know what y'all think, man. 78 Chevy boy. All right. Get that turbo, bro. Get that turbo good. You might light it up. Woo.
My seven, my seven, my seven. I'm keeping it my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm